Put those routes and take it to phone and solar charging bank. Again, 149.
We are Felony Dreams car show.
Oh, Grandpa. Okay, Grandpa. All right, Grandpa, we gotta get security to check your number. We're gonna do another one, you guys. Here's for Grandpa. See, that's Chris. Chris coming. Willie! What's up, Willie?
Well, they try to come back.
Again, pull those routes. Mike, pull those routes out. My man. Pull the. Shout out to them. There you go. All right, let's. 149 9101. 149 9101. All right. Oh, okay, Style Car Club in the house. Definitely got to check his number. Yeah. All right, you guys, make sure you get our shirts too. We got our Felony Dreams shirts, we got women's shirts, we got guys shirts. We're gonna be doing a raffle every 30 minutes. There's a lot of stuff up here, so you guys stay tuned. Thank you, DJ.
My bad, thank you for bar.
Bro, I've had that Impala 51 years, bro.
51 years for this one?
Straight out of Compton, bro. I paid $200 1975.
Wow.
To ride my youth. I just got it painted for the 4th time.
Wow.
Yeah. And this I picked up last year. This also mine. Got 16,000 original miles. I found it in Orange County garage. This is all OG, bro. It has 16,000 miles. The guy had it 29 years. Drove it once a year.
What?
Yeah. Crazy, yeah?
Yeah, you got beautiful cars, man.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, bro.
Hey.
This one's hard. It's got 21 window.
Union twins.
How you doing?
Oh yeah, Red David.
Who's up? Who's up? She's on
I told you.
ESPN.
Because we gonna hook him up with a car.
Kick is down to you.
Yeah, you like us. Yeah, we gonna go over there.
Alright, grab it.
Okay.
They're great.